So I've already been out this morning running around on the tractor here. I left it out last night to try and get a little wash, natural wash on it. Pretty dirty from yesterday. But anywho, so we're gonna run back to the back here and do some bush hogging. I got the bush hog out the other day and got in the woods, and yeah, I just didn't stop there. You know, one thing leads to another, so on and so forth. So we'll run back there real quick. I'll show you what I did, and we'll carry on with it momentarily. Back here in the back, whenever I was bush hogging the other day, I shut the camera off and saw a little opening in the woods, and I just said, you know what, we'll just go with it. And I went back in, started cleaning it up. There's a lot of undergrowth. It's rough back in here, but we're gonna work on getting some more cleaned out. I just was able to do a lot with the tractor yesterday. You can see I'm not going to walk real far down in here, but got a little crossing right there. There's a little low spot. Water runs off. I don't know how well it's coming across on the camera, but pretty good little steep incline right there. So we're gonna, basically what I've got is I've got a corner here where my path is, and there's a little spot right here. We'll go through and I'm going to clean all this up eventually, over time, little by little. So we'll run on down and around and show you what we've got, see if we can get some work done, get some stuff cleaned out. Don't know how long it's going to take, but it'll only take a few minutes for you guys, I'm sure. So we'll see what we got going. Okay, so we're back here in the further back reaches of the property. I went through the other day back in behind here, and whenever I had the bush hog on, started cleaning some stuff up, and just, you know, see a little clearing back here, and started working, and I'd already shut the camera off, and then, you know, one thing leads to the next, and you keep going, and it was just a, you know, well, let's see if it'll do it. Well, it did a really good job. So we're going to try and get some of this cleaned up. Rather have it looking like some of these clearings here, but get all these woods cleaned up. It really needs to be cleaned up. So yeah, we're going to start right here. One thing I have seen out here, I see a lot of tree stumps and the remnants of tree tops. So I'm going to say that this has been logged, and just by the way it looks, you know, yeah, it has. But I'm going to have to work around some tree tops, get those out. But I really want to get a nice open spot where I can get it all cleared out, get the tree tops. You know, they're pretty rotten, or from what I have seen they are. Get it cleaned out. That way I can very easily, you know, manage it a whole lot better. I don't know, have to work around the treetops if I can't move them, get them out. I don't have the chainsaw with me. I'm just got the bush hog on the tractor, gonna, you know, clean it up that way. Otherwise, yeah, that's about the extent of that. So you guys hang tight. I'm gonna set you over here out of the way, nice and safe. That way, kind of give you an overall view of what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and I'll be back with you shortly. So, as you can tell, let me get these out here so I hear you guys a little bit better. Got a stump right there. Ran into that just about first thing off. And over here, we've got a little bit of a treetop right there. So, yeah, I have to get that out of the way. all in all, it's doing pretty good. Got a decent area. Tractor's handling it. It's working really good. Working really good. Got a I don't know how well it really shows up, but got a pretty decent little hill here, and there's a water runoff goes right down through over there. But we'll see if I can manage to get in and pull that around, get that out of there. I keep talking about the ice storm and all that, and I haven't seen this, but right here behind me, you can see there's what used to be a treetop. Yeah, used to be a treetop there. So that's that's what's caused a lot of this. You can tell. You can look off in through the woods here, see that there's not that many really big trees anymore. So we'll keep on cleaning this stuff up and see if we can get this tree out of here, drag it out. Who knows? We'll go from there. So I'm gonna say that dude's been there for a while. Pretty rotten. Very rotten, actually. Yep. So got her out of the way. We'll keep on cleaning here. I'll probably shove this one around a little bit so that way it's not right in the way. But yeah, here we go. I can definitely see where the use of a grapple here really come in handy. Really come in handy. I could have just walked up there, grabbed hold of it, pulled it back. But we don't have one yet. Hopefully that'll be coming. Just gotta watch our money. We fixing to have to buy some, purchase our pre-cut Christmas trees for this year. We are going to sell some trees this year, so. And just gotta kind of watch things. Unless you know somebody that'd like to sponsor me, then let me know. I'll reach out to them. They can reach out to me. Whatever. But, we'll give some equipment a shot. Absolutely. keep on moving on me. I'm trying to give you a front row joke. Okay, so I can see the end of that. That's another treetop right there. The end of it is right in there. So I'm gonna go dig my way in, see if I can get to the end of it. I got a pretty good slope heading right down there. It's just a little drop off. It's only about a foot, so that's no big deal. But I don't know. I may have to smooth it out so that way I can get in there and get to the end of that. So we'll see. You guys okay? You okay? Yeah. There you go.